Meet Heptapolis. Heptapolis will be a global ecological geometric model city. Imagine a huge cake, 3 stories high of unequal size. The ZOSTER or belt, the kytheron or cell, and the pyrin or nucleus with the tholos or dome. The first great circle will include in 7 petala of equal parts the building complexes on the ground floor level of the city. In each of the petala, on the outer curved side will extend the Olympia walls of Heptapolis at a height of 7 meters, while at their intersections will be placed the 7 gates of Heptapolis. From where the sun rises on March the 21st each year, the imaginary line of the radius of the vernal equinox, which crosses the Heptapolis, would cut the city into 2 halves. These will be the dominant geometric coordinates of Heptapolis, the relation of the elliptical motion of Earth around the Sun in our solar system. The day of the equinox, March the 21st of each year, will be institutionalized as an official feast day of Heptapolis. The equinox celebration will be dedicated to protecting the natural environment in both equal hemispheres of the planet. On this day will be judged and awarded all the yearly efforts of private, corporate and government entities in the world that worked for the rescue, improvement and development of fauna and flora, the ecosystem, the Earth as a bearer of life and all beings and phenomena, with man as the protagonist. Heptapolis, in addition to road and water networks, will be connected with a magnetic train in the areas of Levadia, Thebes, Arachova, Delphi, Antikyra and St. Luke. From 2 underground entrances and exits of the underground magnetic train, travelers can easily and conveniently reach the central Gate of Light. For every visitor and every citizen of Earth who may have a mobility problem, the designers have foreseen that he will be able, all by himself, to enter into the city, to visit all the buildings that are located at all levels of the city, and with the GPS system to be supplied at the main gate, listen to the language desired to describe any building complex or statue or artwork he sees before him. In front of the entrance to Heptapolis, Greece crowns Alexander. In this marvelous sculpture, Alexander is depicted seated on a throne. In his left hand, he holds victory. In his right hand, he holds a scepter topped with a swallow that sends the message, "He who will come again." At the foot of Alexander are 2 lions, symbols of power. At the bottom of the pedestal are history and glory. Standing behind him, Greece crowns her great child. From the entrance colonnade, the visitor can admire the geometric layout of Heptapolis. At the top, we read the doctrine of Pythagoras. Revere geometry and arithmetic, proportion and symmetry, because these are the knowledge of God.